question number 12, it is given 100x into this one. So that means with this 100 you have to multiply this term also, this term also. So 100 into 0.01x. So first of all you have to multiply the constant, 0.0 into 100. Now here x is there, here x is, so x into x have written. Now again 100 into x with this one, so 100 into 0.19. After that now x is there, so x written. After that any term here nothing is there, so I have then check this term with which you are multiplying. So in this term any factors are there left? Yes, y and z, so that's why I have written. So now if you multiply with 100 into 0.1, it will become x square, and if you multiply 100 with 0.19, it will become 19. Now factors will be x, y, z. So the question number 14. In this question number 14, it is given this one. Here plus is given, here minus is there. So first of all, you have to remove the bracket. So if you remove the bracket, any common term if it is there, then that term will be multiplied to both the terms with what are inside the bracket. That means x square into 3, 3x square, x square into 5y square, it will be 5x square y square. Okay, so x into xy square, it will be x square y square, x into minus 3x square, again minus 2y into y minus 2y square, this minus 2y and minus 2x square minus plus 4y square x square, or x square y square, same only. Okay, now you do the simplification. 3x square y square, 5x square, and this one all are like terms, so I have written together. Now next 3x square, 3x square, 2y square, 2y square. So 3x square and here minus 3x square, so this will get cancelled. Now check 5x square minus x square, it will be how much? Minus 5x square, x square y square, 4x square y square, 5x square y square. Remaining is 2y square, 2y square. Minus 5x square y plus 5x square get cancelled, only minus 2y square will be the remaining. So that is your answer. So the question number 15, the degree of this. In this factor, no need to do the multiplications. The question is not asked that what will be the value while doing multiplication. The question is the degree of. Degree is asking. So degree means the highest power of the variables. So highest power of the variables we have to count. So first of all, here multiplication it is given. So in this term, what is that degree? In this term, what is the degree? 4 plus 3, 7. And in this term, what is the degree? 7 plus 2 means how much? 7 plus 2 means 9. So multiplication is given. That means all together what is that factor? Factors highest power. So 7 plus 9, so how much? 16. So that means your answer will be 16. No need to do the multiplication. Suppose if it is given 2x cube y cube plus 3, this is one algebraic expression. Question is asked what is the degree of this algebraic expression. So what you will tell? So at that time you have to find the highest power of the variable. So here what are the variables? X and y. X and y are variables. So x and y are, so x power is 3, y power is 3. So altogether what is the power? 3 plus 3, 6. That means variables power is 6. So highest power is this only. So then your degree of this polynomial will be 6. Similarly, here also it is given this term into this term, and that together if you do the multiplication, after that what will be the degree of this polynomial? This is only one polynomial only. Degree of these expressions, algebraic expressions, not polynomial, algebraic expression. So what will be the degree? So at that time what you have to find the total degree of the of each variables present. After that you have to do the addition. So here 4, here 3, 7, and here 5, 7 plus 2, 9. So now multiplication is given. If suppose here plus is given, instead of multiplication if it is given plus, at that time what you have to do, you have to compare which one is bigger. This one is bigger, this 7 power is bigger or 9 power is bigger. 9 power is bigger, that means your degree of that expressions will be 9. Now multiplication it is given means this both all together this all together multiplication is given, that means this all together considered as a one term. So one term is given, term only one. So at that time if term is 1, then you have to find the variable's power. If one term is there, that means in that one term what is the maximum variable power of the variables. So at that only will be the your or degree. So if it is given plus or several terms is there, then at that time you have to compare. Suppose here plus is given, here minus is there. So in each case, this 3 case, you have to compare in which case you are getting the larger degree. That means in which case you are getting the larger power of the variables, on which case you are getting that larger, that one will be the degree of the polynomial. So since here one term only there, so you have to do the multiplication is given, that means altogether it is one term only. So 4 plus 3 7, here 7 plus 2 9, and here multiplication is there, that means do the addition. So 7 plus 9 means 16, that means your degree of this polynomial will be 16. 16 number, simplify. Simplify. So here minus term is there, that means this is one term, this is one term. So first of all do the multiplication of constant. Minus 2, 3, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, 2 minus is, that means it will become plus. So now you multiply the constant terms. So 2 3 is 6, 6 4 is 24. Now factors, x, also x, here x is square. So x into x into x square. The next is your y square, here also y, here also y. So I have written here also you have to multiply the constant first. 1 by 8 minus 24 minus 4 by 5 15. So 1 by 8 minus 24 minus 4 by 5 15. So after that constant x square, x minus x square, x power 10. Oh, sorry, this is the option, no, not this one written. Now check any term left, any factors are left. Yes, y is there, so y is there, here y cube, so y cube. After do the multiplication, you will get the answer. Okay, so with this 60 number, if you do the multiplications, this 8 4 3s are 24, and then 5 3s are 15. So it will be 3 minus 4 3. So how much? 9 4s are 36. Here one, how many minus are there? 2 minus are negative, or that means it will become plus. Already a minus is there, that minus will be here in front of that second term. So now 36 x power 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5, x power 5, y power 4. So this will be one term, this will be one term, and this is your what? After doing the subtraction you will get this one. So with this your 5b exercise is complete, and 70 number also the multiplication you have to do, and after that you have to match the options. So this one 70 number you can do by yourself.